Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can hide comments in your documents and spreadsheets and Google Sheets. So let us get started. So guys, let's assume you added a couple of comments or notes to your document. This is how you can do it. Right click into the given cell and select comment here, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-M, and that is going to give you the opportunity to add a comment here in the text box that will appear right to the selected cell. Now if you'd like to hide it, guys, all you need to do is simply navigate to view in the top left, select comments, hover your mouse over it, and select hide comment instead of minimize comments, because if you select minimize comments with the check mark here to the left, you will still see a triangle in the top right corner of the given cell, indicating that there is a comment. So you may hover your mouse over the triangle, showing you the comment. Now if you'd like to hide these, again, click into view, hover your mouse over comments and select hide comments, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-Shift-J. Or if you'd like to reveal all of them, select show all comments here, guys. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.